Alright, we're recording the sewer line today, 3603 48th Ave Southwest. Date is November 18th, 2020. What we're looking at right here is the Seattle City mainline sewer flowing by, and this is where the responsibility of the homeowner for this house ends for maintaining, repairing, and replacing their sewer. Coming back from this point, we're going to get a look at the line. I've zeroed out the footage so we can get a length for the liner. What we've got here is 6-inch diameter concrete sewer line with a seam about every 2 feet. The seams are the weak points and where the roots get in. As you can see, it's pretty aggregate along the bottom, just from sewage running over it for the past 50, 60, 70, 80 odd years. It's recording for YouTube, so if you have questions, give me a holler.
The original plan had a cesspool on the original site plan here.
Really?
In the 20s.
Like a septic tank?
No, it says cesspool in the original plan set.
Where's all that water coming from?
Here, the door.
Oh, okay.
Yesterday's rain.
Gotcha.
Only when we get a blow from the west we get water at the door that comes in.
Definitely 4-inch diameter pipe. This must be the 4x6 diameter shift there. Pipe's starting to fall apart at the bottom there. That's a tie-in on the right side of the pipe. I want to see where we're at here, see if that lines up with where... Actually, does that sink still work?
It does?
Can you kick it on?
Sure.
Cold water, please. You gonna finish this basement ever, or just stay in the storage? And probably a good idea. All these issues, the sewer, and
So we actually just put 700 square feet that way last year. We were considering doing this, and instead we put it on ground level up there. So
there you go. Oh yeah, okay, cool. You can turn it off. That tie in there is that sink, so that would get blocked off as part of the lining.
right.
Let's see. The diameter shifts are always kind of hard to see. Let me triple check that. Okay, so we've got 35, 34 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe, and we're going to zero that out and come back now into, oh, come on, let me, okay, it's not letting me. Anyway, we've got 35 feet, we'll call it, of 6-inch, coming back now through this 4-inch diameter line. See, we got some root intrusion there. Got that other tie-in right there on the right side of the screen. We're going to be abandoning both of those as part of this project. Okay, so we're coming back around that turn I located. So we're at 55 feet. We had 35 feet of 6-inch. That means we got 20 feet of 4-inch. And there's that turn. So all this would get replaced with new PVC plastic from basically here back to here, where that cast iron ends.
Sure.
And then shoot a liner down the right of it. End the recording there.